Welcome to the world of mitosis by Sophia's Creations. Mitosis is defined as a type of cell division that results in two daughter cells, each having the same number and kind of chromosomes as the parent nucleus, typical of ordinary tissue growth. This is a cell which contains a centrosome and a chromosome. A chromosome is defined as a thread-like structure of nucleic acid and protein found in the nucleus of most living cells, carrying a genetic information in the form of genes. As you can see here, the light blue and the dark blue is representing the chromosome. Our centrosome is defined as an organelle near the nucleus of a cell that contains the centrioles in animal cells and from which the spindle fibers develop in cell division. As we will see later in mitosis, those spindles will develop, and let's not forget that the chromosome is located inside of the nucleus, which is purple in this case. So mitosis begins with the mother cell and DNA replication, and cytokinesis, which happens towards the end, which is the division of the cytoplasm of a cell. And then the two daughter cells form. Of mitosis, it's important to talk about haploid cells, which happens in mitosis, which is where having a single set of unpaired chromosomes. And a diploid contains two complete sets of those chromosomes, one from each parent, as seen more typically in meiosis. So PMAT is an easy way to remember the 4 stages. But like I like to remember is pass me a taco. Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Pass me a taco. So, when we're talking about prophase, we have to remember what it means. Prophase is the first stage of cell division during which the chromosomes become visible as paired chromatids and the nuclear envelope disappears. Metaphase is the second stage of cell division during which the chromosomes become attached to the spindle fibers. Chromosomes align along the metaphase plate. As we can remember, in metaphase, middle is when they align in the middle. Anaphase is the stage of cell division in which the chromosomes move away from one another to opposite poles of the spindle, ana, away. And telophase is the final phase of cell division in which the chromatids or chromosomes move to opposite ends of the cell and two nuclei are formed, and as we talked about earlier, cytokinesis. So, it is important to know about the cell cycle in order to know what role mitosis plays in all of it. So the cell cycle is the process of a cell dividing into two new daughter cells. And the first phase starts with mitosis, which is the M phase. And then we have the cytokinesis, which is right around the red and the blue when they become 2. And then G1, which is the gap one, in which cellular contents excluding the chromosomes are duplicated. GO is where the cell cycle arrests. Right here, it sees division. They couldn't do it, so they go to GO. And then we have the S phase, which is where DNA synthesizes. Each of the 46 chromosomes is duplicated by the cell. Then finally we have gap 2, which is where the cell double checks the duplicated chromosomes for error, making any needed repairs. In the middle, we can just pretend and know that the white space is interphase. A white spot is the stage of the cell cycle when a cell is preparing itself to duplicate, and cells actually spend 90% of their time in this cycle preparing itself for cell division. So here are the two daughter cells. It's not you, it's me, because they had to split up. And here's a little joke. What did the cell say when his sister stepped on his foot? Ouch, my toe, sis. Anyway, the end. So sad we have to split up so soon. Be sure to subscribe to Sophia's Science Explanations. We hope to see you next time.